Okay, so when you're trying to condense the logarithm, remember that you need to condense the coefficients first. So coefficients have to be condensed first. That means that the coefficient needs to come up to become a power. That has to happen before you do any of the addition, subtraction, condensing part of it. So this 1/5 is going to come up into the argument. So it will be log base 6 of y raised to the 1/5 power. Now, it is helpful to remember that the index of the logarithm or of the fraction, excuse me, let me back up a second there. The fraction's denominator is the index. So of the radical. So when you're looking at a 5 in the denominator, that really accounts for a radical of the 5th radical of y. So it's basically the 5th root of y to the 1st. So your condensed version will be log base 6 and then the 5th root of y as your argument. So for this next one, same idea, coefficients first. However, be a little careful here. So you have a big parenthesis here, okay? What I would do before moving this 3 up, the problem is that you have this addition sign. And because you have that addition sign, you have to first distribute this 3 before you can use your log properties. So there's a lot of variety in how you could do this. I think probably the best thing would be to deal with the parentheses first. And there's 2 ways you could deal with the parentheses first. You could distribute the 3 to both of those terms. That would be perfectly fine. Or what you could do is you could say that the addition of these 2 logarithms would be multiplication. So either way is fine. What I am going to do here is I'm first going to distribute. I'm first going to deal with the parentheses. I'm not going to use any sort of log property. I'm just going to distribute that. So it becomes 3 log base 4 of 3 plus 3 log base 4 of b, and then minus log base 4 of 3. And then from there, I would start with my log properties. All right, so I would start off by removing those parentheses and then use my log properties of coefficients becoming powers. So this 3 coefficient can pop up to become a power. So this is log base 4 of 3 to the third plus log base 4 of b to the third minus log base 4 of 3. And then I personally just like take a minute and actually simplify this a little further. This is log base 4, 3 to the third is 27, and then plus log base 4 of b to the third minus log base 4 of 3. All right, so that's first just dealing with my coefficients can become powers. Then I would say that these 2 logs added together become a multiplication of just one logarithm, where I have log base 4 of 27 times b to the third, and then minus my log base 4 of 3. And then I would say that this subtraction of 2 logarithms becomes division. So this will become log base 4 of one big logarithm, 27 b to the third over 3. And then simplify from there. So it'd be log base 4, 27 over 3 gives us 9b to the third. And that would be my condensed out logarithm.